Here's a video talking about some of the changes I've made to the steel drivers. So I make these parts in very small batches, so I'm never in a position where I have to run through the rest of the parts before I start updating or improving some of the design, which means I'm not coming out with different models or versions of the same machine. It's just they're perpetually getting better and better. So if you order a machine today, it's going to be better than it was 3 months ago, better than 6 months ago. And I was discussing online some of the improvements that I've made to this machine, and I thought I'd shoot a video and kind of cover these. So first and foremost is the frame. The frame is smaller. The overall size of the steel driver now is about the same size as a micro bobber was. It's shorter this way, and it's smaller around. It has less material on the binding post here, and overall it makes it lighter and more balanced. So when you're using this with a grip, it's just a perfectly balanced machine. The other updates I've made have been to the yoke. So the spring inside the yoke now travels inside of a smooth channel, making it more consistent and making these springs last longer before they need replaced. And I also put a nylon insert set screw in the side. Some of the older models had these if you had a tension crown, but now it just comes standard with the threaded nylon insert set screw in the side, which allows you to adjust this more before you compromise that compound covered set screw before. So you can adjust this and it's not going to loosen up over time. The other update is the friction sleeve. So the piece here, before it was a piece of tubing that kind of wore over time and needed replaced. Now I've got this friction sleeve, and I've kind of engineered this and played with the dimensions enough to get really tweak and tune the stroke characteristics of this machine. I can dictate how it preloads, how much it preloads, and how it discharges. And it also just makes it a tighter running mechanism. So it eliminates some vibration and some of that extra noise. That's a big improvement. And then overall, just a lot of the ways that I assemble these machines, they've gotten better and more durable, and yeah, just it's kind of evolved into just an amazing little machine. It's very versatile, which is why I don't make the tension crowns anymore or the weights. I used to do that in order to get certain stroke characteristics out of the machine, but now it's so versatile with the current setup that I can really get around all those extra bits. With setting the spring tension in the yoke, you still have such amazing workability in any voltage range, so you don't have to constantly adjust that. And yeah, that's the newest, latest steel driver, and hope it answers some questions. Hope if you have any further questions, you can shoot me a message and let me know, or leave a comment. Thanks.